Hi, I'm Sherwin. We have a tutorial here for the dance Late Night Habits, choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It is a 4-wall improver level. It does have one tag. It goes to the song by Ed Sheeran called Bad Habits. And hey, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please, I hope that you'll take a moment after you watch this video to do so. And let's get started, okay? So we're going to start with our right foot to the side, but we're going to end up moving to our left. We're going to go right, left, and crossing triple, right, left, right. Take your left foot back at a slight diagonal, back, right foot does the same, back, take your left foot over, cross, and quarter turn to step back, bringing you to 9 o'clock. We have, with counts, 1, 2, shuffle over, 3, and 4. Back on an angle, 5, back on an angle, 6. Cross it over, 7, back, 8. One more time, 6, 7, 8, side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, back, 8. Continuing to move back, step on your left foot, back, touch your right, right, touch your left, rock back and recover, left, right, and step forward, left, right. With counts, we have 1, tap, 2, 3, tap, 4, rocking 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you can, alternatively, you can, instead of walking that last part, left, right, you can turn it, and that is dancer's choice. So with the turn, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step back on your left, step forward on your right. So you have 2 half turns, okay? Going on from there, stepping forward on your left foot to do a right turn. So your hips are going to swing around clockwise as you go left, right, left, right. Left foot goes over, cross, right, and a weave, back, side, front. With counts, the left foot will go, and again, your hips are going to go clockwise. Step forward, 1 quarter, 2, 3 quarter, 4, crossing 5, out 6, weave, back and front. Okay, now this section continues to travel to the right, so I'm going to move back because it travels a lot, and I want you to be able to see, obviously. So I've just done the weave, 7 and 8. Take it to the right side and say 1, hold 2, bring the left foot in and step again. Left, right, and hold. Left, right, recover left, cross back, turn a quarter. So let's go over that. We've got 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to put my back to you so you can see it a little better. Looks like this. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, after you've come to here, remember it would have been at this wall, right? So I would actually be at 12 on this. That's the end of the dance, but you see you're still at the same wall that you started at. So what happens is after you take that turn on 8, when you step on 1, you're going to take another quarter turn to your left. So as I've gone 7, 8, when I take my right foot, I'm going to step out 1, 2 to start it again. So you have to start with a little quarter turn to get to your new wall. Okay? Hope that makes sense. I'm going to go back to the beginning and walk you through it. Okay? So here we go, starting with that right foot to the side. 7, 8, side 1, 2, crossing 3 and 4, back 5, back 6, over 7, turning 8, stepping touch 2 times, 2, 3, 4, rock, recover, walk or turn, 7, 8, quarter 1, 2, quarter 3, 4, take it over, 6, weave, 7 and 8, travel right, side, out and rock, recover, back, turn, 1, I'll keep going, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, step it back, step, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to add the turn this time, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 5, 6, weave, 7 and 8, side, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then I would start again and come back. Now there is a little tag that happens at the end of wall 3. But it still sets you back up where you would start wall 4. So if this is wall 2 and this is wall 3, what happens is you know you would be finishing here and then you would step to turn it. The tag will be a step touch, step touch, step touch. This is where you'll be facing on that. So all I'm doing is right together, left together. So let me show you what I mean. If we started at this wall, I'm going to just do it at this wall for you once and then add the tag, okay? So we have 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, and 4, angle 5, angle 6, 7, 8, step and tap, 2, 3, 4, I'll do the turn this time, 6, 7, 8, rolling 1, 2, 3, 4, over 5, 6, 7, last 8 goes 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. Still take your quarter turn and then start it again. Okay, so you still add that little quarter. Now there's one more little extra optional choreography if you want to add it in. It happens during the 4th count of 8 in wall 5. So if you can take out the 4th count of 8 and do this instead during wall 5. This is wall 5, so we're going to be starting here. It's kind of complicated. You'd be at this wall, but I'm going to face this way so you can see it. What happens is, and you're going to take the right foot over 1, and you're going to unwind a half, 2, 3, 4, and then do your step tap, step tap. That happens wall 5. You can drop the 4th count of 8. And the reason that the choreographer put that in there is you can kind of hear in the music, it kind of sounds like a little spiral turn on that. It'll make sense when you see it. And once again, if you don't want to do it and you leave it out, it works the same, you're at the same wall, and yeah, so that's what you need to know. I always put the step sheet in the comments down below, right, in the description I should say, so you can always look at that step sheet and try to follow that along too if it doesn't make sense, or reach out to me and I will answer that for you, okay? So we are going to get started and do this dance with a little bit of music. Let's go. So this intro is very long. It's about 40 seconds. So it takes a while to get the dance started. Get on the floor, visit with your dance friends for a bit, and then start the dance. It waits until the music kind of picks up underneath, so there's more of a driving beat. Okay? Pause there. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, take it, open and cross, diagonal back, cross and turn, step and tap twice, rock, recover, walk it out, turn, cross over to your wave, take your right, left, left, quarter turn, cross and open, back and over, step tap. I'm not going to turn it yet for you, and we're going to turn back quarter, cross, side, and side, and side, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, diagonal, step it back, I'm going to add the turn for you this time, rock, recover, quarter turn, we're going to have a tag coming up, here we go, step, touch, start it again on side 2. Doing the turn this time. This is wall 5. We have optional choreography coming here on the 4th count of 8. After this. Cross your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, start it again. Here we go. And back. And go back. Right, left, right, left, right, left, quarter, turn inside. Conversations with a stranger, I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose, or use, or do my bad habits lead to me. I'm serious, and I know I was in trouble with the things that I say. I was looking for a yeah, now I'm kinda scared. Nothing happens after 2. It's true, my bad habits lead to you. There we go. We did it. Thank you. Again, I always appreciate you guys tuning in here to check out the tutorials and the latest dances. I so appreciate it. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Any questions or comments would be fabulous. Please leave them down there. You can also contact me if you have any questions about this or any other dances that we might be doing. If you're in the LA area, come and see me. I teach at the BL Dance Hall and Saloon out in Agoura Hills, and I hope to see you on the dance floor.